So we are in day 2 of time here in Xcaret in Mexico and having an absolutely amazing time. It is so beautiful here. The weather is absolutely perfect. There are like no bugs, so I have the door open and we got a chance to go and spend some time just playing around today like a bunch of kids. It was so much fun. We went to this place called Census. Which was just the biggest kid playland you can possibly imagine. And it was basically something for all of your senses. So there were different smells in there, there were different textures all around you. The scariest part by far was going through this cave where you couldn't see anything at all. It was in complete darkness. And I just had to feel my way through this darkness to get out on the other side. And when I tell you that I came out the other end just bawling my eyes out, I'm not exaggerating. I was crying when I got out the other end because I just had this really emotional reaction to being in darkness and then coming into the light at the end of the tunnel. Literally, the end of the tunnel, there was a light and you just walk towards it. It's really crazy. But basically you were in complete darkness. You had to bump around, feel your way around. And when you came out, you were in this beautiful cave, this cenote area, and it was fantastic. It was so beautiful. It was so very, very beautiful. But I am scratched up, bumped up, bruised up. I'm sure I will see lots of bruises on my knees and stuff tomorrow, but that's okay because it was totally worth it. We got a chance, like the last part of it was just like a spa experience for the most part. There was sort of a lazy river that we got a chance to float down. It's all salt water, so it's really good for your skin. We got a mud bath. It was a lot of fun. We had a really, really good time. So I'm back to the hotel now. I'm all rinsed off. I've cleaned off all of the things. All of the dirt and mud and sand and everything else that got on me while we were walking through there. It's all off. I feel clean and beautiful again. I had a fabulous lunch. The food here is amazing. It was so good. All the seafood is really fresh. And I had lobster enchiladas for lunch today, which were so good. They were so good. Lobster enchiladas for lunch. I didn't really have a heavy breakfast because I was worried that we were going to be doing something really interactive and doing a lot of walking, and I was right. There was so much walking. I'm probably going to be really sore tomorrow, but again, it was worth it to hang out with my friends, spend some time with them. We did this like flying through this one area, which was a lot of fun in a harness, like a zip line, but your arms out in front of you like Superman. Yeah, it was fun. It was exhausting, but I'm really glad that I got a chance to do that and hang out with my friends. I'm gonna rest for a little while and get some work done. I really don't have anything going on. I'm not in the wedding, so I can just kind of hang out in this beautiful room and get some work done and then check in with everyone a little later. So, day 2, success.